Welcome to the future of intelligence, where machines learn, adapt, and revolutionize the world as we know it. This is the era of artificial intelligence. From virtual assistants and smart devices to self-driving cars and personalized recommendations, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, enhancing efficiency, convenience, and innovation. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, delving into the groundbreaking research, cutting-edge applications, and ethical considerations that shape the AI landscape. At the heart of AI lies powerful algorithms and massive data processing capabilities, enabling machines to analyze complex patterns, make predictions, and continuously improve their performance. But AI isn't just about technology, it's about transforming industries and solving some of the world's most pressing challenges. From diagnosing diseases and optimizing financial markets to personalizing education and mitigating climate change, AI holds the key to unlocking a brighter future for humanity. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business leader, or simply curious about the potential of artificial intelligence, join us on this exciting journey into the realm of AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and updates on the future of intelligence.